Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make a very simple and refreshing punch-style drink, the Mandrin Punch. Don't forget, click at the bottom, like and subscribe. You sat at home alone trying to learn these drinks, you do not want to miss another one of these videos. The flavor of the Mandarin there is full-bodied. Pineapple juice adding that tropical sweetness, and then you've got the ginger ale that dilutes and balances everything and gives it that slight little sweetness. Now this is a built drink, so we're gonna go directly into the glass. So first of all, we're gonna slap in some pineapple juice, and we wanna put 45 ml of pineapple juice into each of our glasses. Now I know for a fact that even though this is called a Mandrin Punch, I know I'm gonna get comments in the comments below talking about the old punch recipe, 1 of sour, 2 of sweet. I don't care, this is artistic license, it's called a Mandrin Punch. Next we're gonna go 45 ml, the magic number of Absolut Mandrin. We're gonna ice up our drink. Super nice. This drink is super simple to make. You can make it on the fly. So once we've iced up our drinks, we're just gonna spice it up a little bit with some ginger ale. Not ginger beer, ginger ale. There is a huge difference. I can't really talk for all ginger beers, but ginger beer is usually a brewed product, whereas ginger ale is more of a carbonated water with like a ginger syrup. It's more like a ginger soda. We're just gonna give it a stir, just to make sure everything's mixed around correct. And then we're gonna garnish it with the lemon and the lime wedge. 2 wedges out of this. Just pop and pop. The Mandrin Punch, ready for any barbecue or bar mitzvah you're going to. Enjoy.